Hi guys, today I want to show you how to host your API on Hostinger. First, log in to your Hostinger account, like this. I'm already logged in. And then, head over to All Services, click on Marketplace, head over to top corner, click on Hosting. Here, you can choose either to host a web API, a cloud API hosting, or an agency hosting. Most developers choose cloud hosting because it offers multiple processors to make sure your API runs smoothly and efficiently. So, click on Explore after choosing your best API hosting. For example, cloud hosting here. And here, click on Choose Plan and follow the guidelines here and steps to make sure you buy your preferred plan. You can buy a month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. And that's it, guys. Just follow the simple steps here. And you successfully added your API to Hostinger in few steps. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a daily drop on our channel. Thanks for watching.